Okay, so come to the question number 4. So question number 4 is very important question. It is given that Rahul's present age is 10 years and his grandfather's age is 72 years. Okay, so again Rahul's father is 30 years older than Rahul. That means if present age of Rahul is 10, then father will be what? 40 years. Okay, so the first question is find the ratio of present age of Rahul's father to the present age of Rahul. Second one is present age of Rahul's can. Okay, so 5 questions we have to find. So at first, given things we have to write. So question number 4, given present age of Rahul is given 10 years. Okay. So another thing is given that his grandfather's age is 7. So again present age of Rahul's grandfather, is 72 years. Okay. So directly the age of Rahul's father is not given, so we have to write that thing. So according to question, Rahul's father is 30 years older than Rahul. So according to question, Rahul's father is 30 years older than Rahul. Okay, so therefore the present age of Rahul's father will be what? 10 plus 30, that means 40 years. Okay, so we find all the present ages we find here. So the present age of Rahul is 10 years, the present of Rahul grandfather is 72 years, again the present age of Rahul's father is 40 years. Okay, so now we have to find the given questions and the answer of given questions. So first one, A. So A is asking that present age, ratio of present age of Rahul's father to the present age of Rahul. Okay, so the ratio of present age of Rahul's father to the present age of Rahul. So already we find that the present age of Rahul's father is what? 40, and the present age of Rahul is what? 10. So 40 is to 10. So that is 40 by 10. It is 4 by 1. That means 4 is to 1. So 4 is to 1 is the ratio of the present age of Rahul's father to the present age of Rahul. Okay. So now come to the question number B. So question number B is what? You have to find the ratio of present age of Rahul's grandfather to the present age of Rahul. Okay. So question number B, the ratio of present age of Rahul's grandfather to Rahul. So Rahul's grandfather to the present age of Rahul, which is the present age of Rahul's grandfather was what? 72. So 72 divided by 10. So we will divide by 2. This 36 becomes 5. That means 36 is to 5. Okay. So now come to the next one. So question number C. Question number C is what? Present age of Rahul's father to the present age of Rahul's grandfather. Okay, so see the ratio of the ratio of present age of Rahul's father to the present age of Rahul's grandfather. So we know that the present age of Rahul's father is what, 40, and grandfather is what, 72. So 40 divided by 72 divided by 2, 20 becomes 36, again by 2 18, 18 again by 2 becomes 5 becomes 9. That means 5 by 9. So 5:9. Okay. So now come to the question number D. So now come to the question number D. D is what? Age of Rahul's father to Rahul's age when Rahul was 5 years old. Okay. So the present age of Rahul is what? 10 years. So that means when Rahul was 5 years, that means it is saying that 5 years ago. Okay. So all of you know that when, question number D. So when the age of, no need to write like that, when Rahul is 5 years old, then when Rahul was 5 years old, then his father's age was 40 minus 5, that means 35 years. Okay. So therefore the ratio of when the age of Rahul's father to Rahul's age. So therefore the ratio of age of Rahul's fathers. So the age of Rahul's, just write the given line of the given question. So the ratio of the age of Rahul's father to Rahul's age when Rahul was 5 years old, when Rahul was 5 years old, equal. So the ratio of the age of Rahul's fathers when Rahul was 5 years. So now this one is 35. So 35:5. That means 35 by 5. Okay, so 35 by 5 when divided by 5, 7 by 1. That means 7:1. Okay. So now come to the last question, last part.